I will take care of this. For Atlantis. I will gladly accept this task. Great Hera.
Hand me my bow. Straight shot. Right on target. Right on target.
It is good to have the— I hate to ruin the mood, but my preliminary analysis shows that this toxic mist contains a dark multiverse energy. It could even have a corrupting effect on metahuman physiologies if they are exposed to it for an extended period of time. We will need to remain in peak physical condition in order to resist its powers.
Well, there's an area of the cave that can assist with that. Let me show you the training nexus.
A training nexus. This will be of great use.
You can improve your skills and gain experience by facing off with hyper-realistic hard-light simulations of enemies, friends, gods. There are no limits.
Guess who I'll be fighting a simulation of?
That was impressive. I felt as if I was in true combat. Indeed, I feel invigorated. A superior warrior to when I entered.
I wasn't asleep, just resting my eyes.
It's fine. Clearly we're going to be here for a while. We need living quarters.
Great call. So, how do we make that happen?
We build them. The living quarters are for rest, sleep, restoring your stamina.
Alfred says you never sleep.
Alfred used to be an actor. He can be a bit dramatic.
Says the guy dressed like a giant bat.
Take a nap, Oliver.